Thank you for staying with Republic. We continue to get you more breaking news coming in, this time from Rajasthan, where three policemen were attacked while patrolling in Tonk. The police party was attacked in a locality during patrolling, and now we are being told that an investigation is underway, so much so that some have been brought in for interrogation. As per the police, this happened in Kasai Mohalla in Tonk. Three police personnel who were injured after they were attacked while patrolling in Tonk today. In the phase 2 of the lockdown, today being day 3, these were policemen who had gone to explain to some people that the lockdown must not be violated, in which 3 police personnel were injured in this incident. They've also now been admitted to a hospital and they are undergoing treatment. In Tonk especially, the number of COVID-19 cases that continue to come forward even as a curfew has been imposed, and another incident where 3 police personnel were injured. Why? Because they were out there to patrol and explain to people that the lockdown must not be violated. More cops who have been attacked upon. Why? Because they were doing their duty. A very horrific incident that still remains fresh on the minds of the people. The one that came from Patalia, where the ASI's hand was chopped, and now another incident coming in from Tonk, where 3 police personnel were injured. Piyush is joining us with more details. Piyush, tell us all that had happened.
Well, Swisha, what we are picking at this moment is that in Rajasthan's Tonk, this incident has happened while there was a patrolling going on in which the police personnel there in Rajasthan, they were patrolling and they were attacked. What we are learning is that the local administration has released a statement in which they have picked up some people for the interrogation, and this happened while while the police personnel were on patrolling in Rajasthan. We know that it has been made it very clear by the administration, not only in Rajasthan but across the country, that people need to be inside their house so that the spreading of this virus can be contained. And looking at that, at different parts of Rajasthan also patrolling is going on, and patrolling was going on in Tonk district of Rajasthan, where this attack took place on police personnel. Before also we have seen how a policeman was attacked in Punjab's Patiala, where his hand was chopped, and also in Moradabad how the doctor's team was also attacked. So these horrific incidents, those are now being reported from across the country, are really unfortunate. We also know that Prime Minister has sent out a message, and also Ministry of Home Affairs has said that strict actions will be taken against these people who are doing these attacks. But this horrific incident has been reported from Tonk district of Rajasthan, and what we are learning is that few people have been picked up for the interrogation, and further investigation in the entire case is now going on. Suesha.
All right, Piyush, thank you for those initial details. We'll keep coming back to you for all the updates and more action is eventually taken against these attackers. For the moment, we move on to other breaking news.